Hi, I'm Melody and I'm a member of the universe.
Hi, I'm Erica, and I'm a member of the universe.
Hi, my name is Desiree, and I'm a member of the universe.
Hi, my name is Nakia, and I'm co-founder of Natural Hair Universe. Natural Hair Universe is a small startup company based in Atlanta, Georgia. For the past year, here at NHU, we've been working on an exciting new product. We're now ready to introduce it to naturalistas around the world. It's called Stretch-Its. Stretch-Its are pre-styling tools for stretching naturally curly hair of all types without the use of heat. Stretch-Its is a product that was born out of my own hair frustration. As a curly hair natural, I found myself fighting a battle, and shrinkage was my mortal enemy. You ladies know exactly what I'm talking about, don't you? Sure, a blow dryer can easily defeat shrinkage, but who wants to be a slave to heat? My search for a tool that would allow me to stretch my hair without the use of a blow dryer led me to develop the Stretch-Its concept. This is where my year-long journey began and Natural Hair Universe was born. Today, we're glad to announce we have a solution. Stretch-Its is a patent-pending design that's going to revolutionize your styling routine. No more trips to the salon for blowouts, no more hair threading, no more time spent banding, only to get less than stellar results. Now that we're ready to move on to manufacturing, we want you to be a part of our future. To do so, we're bringing Stretch-Its direct to you, the consumer, exclusively through Indiegogo. We want you to be one of the first to own Stretch-Its. So join our crowdfunding campaign and you will receive a large discount off of the retail price. You'll also get the satisfaction of knowing you took part in helping to launch an exciting new product. So contribute, choose your perk, and then spread the word to naturals around the world using the social media links below. Natural Hair Universe and I really hope that you'll come along with us on this exciting journey, and we do thank you very much for your support.